In a world of 8 billion people, most are just a copy of someone else. But psychology says a tiny few are born with an extremely rare wiring. The kind of people who are impossible for the average mind to understand. Does your brain work differently from the crowd? Watch these 5 signs. You might just recognize yourself. Sign number 1. You are a quiet observer. While everyone else is busy chasing attention, you are silently scanning their body language and the hidden truths in their eyes. You hear what is left unsaid. People think you're shy, but the truth is, you're just bored of fake personalities. Sign number 2. You hate small talk. How's the weather? What did you eat? These questions suffocate you. Your mind hungers for deep conversations. The universe, psychology, and the dark secrets of life. If someone can't touch your soul with their words, you'd rather stay alone. Sign number 3. Solitude is your superpower. While others run to parties to escape themselves, you build your kingdom in the silence. You don't recharge with people. You recharge with peace. Rare minds always shine brightest in the shadows. Sign number 4. You reject the herd mentality. If the whole world is going one way, and your intuition says it's wrong, you aren't afraid to walk alone. You have your own code, your own values. You don't follow trends. You create your own path. The final sign. Your gut feeling. You know instantly if someone is genuine or a snake. People call it a coincidence, but it's your subconscious intelligence at work. Your heart never lies to you, and you've finally learned to trust it. If you have at least 3 of these signs, you are not ordinary. Your mindset is ancient, and your soul is rare. Comment your score below. Stay rare, stay wise,